Hey everyone, want this rotating zoom effect for your edits? It's simple, easy and eye-catching, so you'll get better audience retention in your edits. Also, I'll provide the project file of this at 50 likes. So let's move to the creation process. I'm taking the two photos layers. You can use the video that you're using for your edit. Take the adjustment layer and add S Blur Curves plugin and follow my steps. Now simply duplicate the layer and add CC Jaws effect on a black solid layer. Adjust the center of the Blomo curve according to your clip. Now follow my steps for CC Jaws. You can add twitch and shake also here between both clips. I'm reducing the opacity here. You can adjust it according to your clip. So that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next one.
I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara